Hello, my name is Nico Kruger. I'm the principal of PropRight Estate Agents and Auctioneers. This is an ideal game, cattle or irrigation farm. It's 710 hectares in the Alma area. Alma is situated in Limpopo. This is a well-positioned farm. It is well situated in the heart of the Waterberg, approximately 12 kilometers from Alma. The area is remote, very safe, and access is via a gravel road. On this property, there are no land claims, there are no graves. The improvements include 2 houses, a hunter's lodge, storage areas, workshops, a butchery, and there's 3 workers' cottages. All buildings are of good quality and well maintained. The farm is game fenced, and there's one of the sides of the fence is electrified. It has a Eskom power. There's a 100 kV rate connection. The farm has 5 boreholes. 2 of them are equipped for irrigation, and the amount of water in that boreholes is about 20,000 liters per hour. There's a spring that feeds a dam. There's abundance of groundwater, and there's a dike running through this property. There's no registered water rights on this property, but the prospective buyer can apply for rights. Out of boreholes, it's just a paper trail, but at the end the people get it. Currently, it's a fully operational, functional farm. There will be game included in this transaction. The numbers will be given to prospective buyers who viewed the property. There are no loose assets included in this transaction. The seller is not registered for VAT, so transfer fees would be payable. If the buyer is registered for VAT, he can claim back the transfer fees from SARS. If you want to view this beautiful property, contact me 082 576 2999, or if you want to sell your farm, call me